Zainab, actually, uh, because of the undocumented economy, the numbers are not there. Furniture, interior, they both are contributing, a substantial amount to the national exchequer. लेकिन चूंकि सारी इकोनॉमी इज़ अनडॉक्यूमेंटेड, इसलिए ये जो है आपको नहीं लगता कि अदरवाइज अगर आप देखें तो आई हैव बीन इन दिस बिजनेस सिंस लास्ट सिंस 2003 और आई हैव सीन लॉट ऑफ ग्रोथ पंजाब साइड के ऊपर there are so many workshops, there are so many factories coming up. People, new students, सब बच्चे, they are joining this. अभी भी यहाँ पे भी मैंने आके 1.5 साल जब पाकिस्तान में कराची में बिजनेस स्टैब्लिश किया तो यहाँ भी मुझे फील हुआ कि ये एक थ्राइविंग और प्रॉमिसिंग इंडस्ट्री है. हाँ, लेकिन चूँकि इसके नंबर इतने ज़्यादा क्लियर नहीं है, इसलिए ये नहीं लगता कि ये शायद इतना कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं कर रहा, लेकिन ये कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा है.
I can understand that क्योंकि पाकिस्तान का अगर देखा जाए economy is about 350 million, right? But
Because one thing,
is twice as big.
it is also related with the real estate, right?
Yeah.
Housing side. So it is part of that.
It is part of that, and also ये जो आपने बात की है, and it's very important to talk about this. ये last time हमने यही बात की थी कि जो आपकी shadow economy, it's twice as big as your real economy. It's 650 million. Officially, Pakistan is a $1 trillion economy. We're just not putting it in writing, but we all understand that that's exactly how it exists. And ये एक behavioral problem है पाकिस्तान के अंदर, which even State Bank is struggling with right now to get people through the National Financial Literacy Program के लोग आए, bank accounts खोलें, चीज़ें करें. तो ऐसे situation में, क्योंकि I was also part of the furniture industry back like 10-15 years ago, I remember we had a lot of clients who did not pay through official banking channels, and it was also something. So you are very, very right. These are things, it's not this industry only. There are multiple industries like this that have a huge contribution to the economy, and we just don't know it yet because our clients, unki behavioral mechanism is not exactly up to par over there. So अब ये हमने बात की है IKEA की थोड़ी देर पहले.
एक चीज़ ऐड कर सकता हूँ. In the last 20 years or so, पाकिस्तान की एक अच्छी आउटलुक, एक अच्छे इमेज में पाकिस्तान की हाउसिंग, रियल स्टेट और इंटीरियर ने बहुत रोल प्ले किया है. जो क्वालिटी ऑफ हाउसेस इस वक्त पाकिस्तान में बन रहे हैं, पंजाब साइड पर तो डेफिनेटली है.
बिल्कुल
ब्यूटीफुल हाउसेस सब, बिकॉज मेरे बहुत सारे गेस्ट यूरोप से आते हैं. व्हेन दे कम टू पाकिस्तान एंड व्हेन दे लुक एट द क्वालिटी ऑफ द हाउसेस एंड द इंटीरियर्स, दे गेट ओवरऑल्ड कि पाकिस्तान में इस किस्म की हमारी ब्रांडिंग वैसे नहीं है, आवर मार्केटिंग इज़ नॉट गुड, बट द लाइफस्टाइल ऑफ पाकिस्तानीज, इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन, आर्किटेक्चर, furniture, it has played a very pivotal role.
Absolutely, it has, and I do agree with you. अब हमारे केस स्टडी अभी हमने थोड़ी देर पहले बात की थी IKEA के बारे में. They branded a whole country, right? And that's incredible for a company to do that. But Pakistan, we do have a company like that. We have Habit, which started from where it started and from where it's actually standing right now. Obviously, it's a whole family. We've got Cardi and so many other area players involved there. But इस तरह के केस स्टडीज़ और हैं जो आपके दिमाग में आते होंगे कि जो जिसको हाईलाइट करना चाहिए कि देखिए these are emerging companies in this area. There are investors here. How can we scale their operations up to a place where they can have genuine contribution to the economy? So any sort of case studies or anything, and I would definitely like to extend this question to the rest of the panel as well. And Mr. Ijaz, definitely to you. आप सबको जानते हैं. So what other examples other than Habit come to your mind? क्योंकि Interboard आता है लोगों के दिमाग में, आपका Venture आता है लोगों के दिमाग में जब आप लाहौर के बारे में बात करते हैं. But again, we're looking at a much smaller market right now. How much bigger can we get? Any sort of companies that you want to highlight?
Well, I cannot highlight a specific company, but I would like to highlight one point that there is a great deal of growth in this sector. Because when you take the example of IKEA, remember, it was the timing. IKEA's timing was, it was a vision of the founder of the company, the modular furniture, that you buy अगर आप उनके स्टोर का विजिट करें, you enter from this side, but you cannot exit. You have to take, the whole path. You'll enter from here and you will exit from there.
अब तो retail के against जाता है basically. I
Right?
get that.
Because you keep looking at everything. And then there's something that you will definitely pick. And there's easiness in that. And you know what is that? Modular. You pick it, you put it in your van, you bring it home, and you fix it, and you use it. Right?
अभी आपने जो point out किया ना, this is consumer psychology right now, and I love the fact that you picked that up because पाकिस्तान में consumer psychology is something that is very easily changed. अभी मुझे किसी ने बताया था ILO से, very interesting thing. उन्होंने कहा है कि अगर पाकिस्तान में आप कहीं भी खड़े हो जाए ना, 3-4 लोग एकदम से एक crowd बढ़ना शुरू हो जाता है for no reason at all, and they have tested this out in Pakistan, right? So consumer psychology हमारी बड़ी एक interesting, unique style consumer psychology है. How do you play around with that?
हमारी जो consumer psychology है ना, that is a luxurious psychology. Luxury.
Do we agree here? Do we all like luxury? Of course, the ladies are going to definitely say that. I agree with you there.
Our psychology is not that we go for something very easy or something very cheap or economical for that matter. We go for customization. This is the psychology of the Pakistani people. Pakistani people are people who love art. People who like to involve themselves in their interiors, in their furniture, in their houses. वहाँ पर आपका फिर मॉड्यूलर काम नहीं आता, वहाँ पर आपकी जो कस्टमाइजेशन है, इसीलिए आपका जो मॉड्यूलर है वो और ऑल्सो पाकिस्तान में अभी वो वर्टिकल सेटअप्स का अभी वो ट्रेंड नहीं आया, राइट, जो कि बाकी भी कंट्रीज़ में है. हमारे अभी भी विलास जो है वो पंजाब साइड पे तो बहुत ज़्यादा, नॉर्थ में भी बहुत ज़्यादा, कराची में कुछ वर्टिकल है, बट अभी भी यहाँ पे विलास कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो इसके अंदर लेबर इज़ ऑल्सो चीप, इकोनॉमिकल. तो ये जो IKEA वाला कॉन्सेप्ट है वो अभी पाकिस्तान में इट विल टेक टाइम.
I do agree with you. So there's a lot to unpack over here, and I believe ये यही सवाल का एक certain version मैं डॉक्टर
लेकिन एक चीज़
के पास लेकर आऊँगी.
सॉरी, एक चीज़ मैं आपको बता दूँ, द फ्यूचर ऑफ इंटीरियर एंड फर्नीचर इन पाकिस्तान इज़ वेरी ब्राइट. Because Pakistani artisans have started making the furniture, which is being looked at, being considered by the Europeans also.